How to sign in into another Apple ID in iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can sign in into another Apple ID having two Apple ID in the same iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So before we begin, just know that you cannot actually have two Apple IDs logged in simultaneously on your iPhone. You can only have a single ID logged in into your iPhone. But what you can do is you can use different Apple IDs for different services. So what I mean by that is you can use different Apple IDs for your iCloud and your messages and FaceTime. So for that to happen, what you can do is just log in using your Apple ID for iCloud into your normal settings. Now, if you want to change your Apple ID for your messages and FaceTime, what you'll have to do is head over to your settings, search for messages. If you don't find messages here, head over to the apps section on the bottom right, head over to messages, the M section, and head over to messages. Now right there, you'll find an option where you can send and receive. Tap on it and there you'll find your Apple ID. Now here you can just add in another Apple ID. You can change it as well. And yeah, you can just remove this too. And after doing that, you can basically add another Apple ID there. And that's basically it, guys. That is how you can add two Apple IDs or use two Apple IDs in an iPhone at once. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.